was $107 the low for SpaceX. Look at the daily chart of SPCX after topping out near $225. It found short-term support right around $107, following this white resistance line all the way down. Drawing a vertical range shows the stock has suffered a brutal drop of about 52% from its high. But if it can break above that resistance line with confirmed volume, it could push the stock significantly higher. Now look at how we drew the Fibonacci retracement. By placing the 0.5 level right where price struggled the most in this consolidation box, it shows $107 could be our structural low for now. The $100 mark is a major psychological level that should hold, unless the broader market pulls back 20% later in August or September. Short-term risk remains, but I won't bet against Elon Musk. Follow for updates and remember, not financial advice, trust your flight instruments.